Introduction to the Flutter Padding widget. The padding widget in Flutter plays a crucial role in layout design by providing space around its child widget. This seemingly simple yet powerful widget allows developers to control and enhance the spacing between UI elements, contributing to a well-organized and visually pleasing user interface. Padding for layout consistency. One of the key benefits of the padding widget is its ability to ensure consistency in layout spacing. By applying padding uniformly across various UI elements, developers can maintain a cohesive and organized design, enhancing the overall aesthetics of the application. Controlling spacing with precision. Flutter's padding widget excels in offering precise control over spacing. Developers can specify padding values in pixels or other units, allowing for meticulous adjustments that cater to specific design requirements and align with the application's visual identity. Responsive design with padding. In responsive design, adapting to different screen sizes is crucial. The padding widget proves invaluable for creating responsive layouts, enabling developers to add adaptive spacing that scales seamlessly across various devices, ensuring a consistent user experience. Integrating padding for readability. Padding is a vital tool for enhancing the readability of UI elements. By strategically applying padding around text, buttons, or other components, developers can create a visually comfortable environment for users, preventing elements from appearing cramped and improving overall readability. Versatility in padding application. The padding widget's versatility shines in its application to various UI elements. From text fields to buttons and images, developers can apply padding universally, ensuring a harmonious and well-proportioned layout throughout the entire application. Padding and user interaction. Padding is not only about visual aesthetics, but also plays a role in improving user interaction. By incorporating sufficient padding around interactive elements, such as buttons or touch-sensitive areas, developers can enhance the touch target size, contributing to a more user-friendly and accessible interface. Padding in nested layouts. The padding widget is effective in nested layouts, allowing developers to apply spacing adjustments at different levels of the widget tree. This capability is particularly useful when designing complex interfaces with layered or nested UI elements, ensuring consistent spacing across all levels. Dynamic padding adjustments. Flutter's padding widget supports dynamic adjustments, enabling developers to alter padding values based on changing conditions or user interactions. This dynamic flexibility ensures that the application's layout can adapt in real time, providing a responsive and interactive user experience. Combining padding with other widgets. The padding widget seamlessly integrates with other Flutter widgets, such as containers, rows, and columns. Developers can combine these widgets to create sophisticated layouts, leveraging the padding widget to add space and structure within these complex arrangements. Padding for UI margins. In addition to its role in adding space around UI elements, the padding widget is often used to define margins for entire sections of an interface. This aids in creating well-defined and aesthetically pleasing margins, contributing to a visually organized and balanced design. Accessibility considerations with padding plays a crucial role in accessibility by ensuring that UI elements have sufficient spacing. Adequate padding helps prevent elements from being too close together, reducing the risk of unintentional interactions and enhancing the overall accessibility of the application. Visual hierarchy and padding is instrumental in establishing a visual hierarchy within an interface. By strategically applying varying levels of padding to different UI elements, developers can guide users' attention, emphasizing key components and creating a clear hierarchy that enhances the overall user experience. Padding and theming consistency. The padding widget contributes to theming consistency by allowing developers to apply consistent spacing based on a predefined theme. This ensures that the application's layout adheres to a unified design language, creating a padding for animated interfaces. When creating animated interfaces, the padding widget supports dynamic transitions by allowing developers to animate changes in padding values. This capability enhances the fluidity and elegance of animations, creating a more visually engaging user experience. Efficient use of screen. Real estate with padding. Efficient use of screen real estate is a design principle in application development. The padding widget helps achieve this by allowing developers to add space where needed, preventing overcrowded layouts and optimizing the use of available screen space. Padding and cross-platform development. In cross-platform development, where applications need to run on various devices and screen sizes, the padding widget ensures a consistent layout experience. Developers can employ padding to create interfaces that look and feel native across different platforms, streamlining the development process. Padding and text layouts. Text layouts benefit significantly from the padding widget, which allows developers to create well-spaced and aesthetically pleasing text elements. By adjusting padding around text, developers can control the spacing between paragraphs, lines, and characters, enhancing the overall typography of the application. Padding for form. Elements forms often require careful spacing for optimal user interaction. The padding widget is instrumental in creating well-structured forms by allowing developers to add padding around form fields, labels, and buttons, improving the overall usability and visual appeal of the form. Best practices in padding usage. In adopting the padding widget, developers should follow best practices to ensure effective and efficient use. This involves considering the application's design principles, responsiveness requirements, and accessibility guidelines, ultimately leveraging the padding widget to create layouts that prioritize both functionality and aesthetics.